everyone, boys and girls. We start our weekends, and I was just in the middle of preparing my new blog post when my new camera arrived. Well, I'm so excited. I have no idea where to start opening this. We will manage. We will manage. So, I will show you. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Hello, where's my knife? Here's my knife. Here's my trusty knife. Okay. We are going into the woods for the weekend, and I was so sad that my Canon is dead, actually. It will take few weeks for me to repair it, and I have no camera working for now, besides the Canon and the Fuji, but I mean a film camera. So I went online, I just looked it up, and I found a little cheap one and a really good one. You can find them online because most of the people who keep such cameras have no idea how precious they are, and they just sell them for like nothing. So yeah, it should be my precious camera. It's a Praktica. You may know or you may not know this. It's a very, very good camera. Oh well, it's packed well. You will see. I found a good one. I used to have a one, but I gifted it to my friend, a very dear friend of mine. So I purchased another one because I was very, very happy about the camera. It was indestructible. It was very, very indestructible, and the photos were amazing. And as you can see, I have a different haircut. I mean, it's not a haircut, but my fringe is just too long to keep it in a normal way, so I just put it on the sides, and I feel really weird with that, but what can I do? And I noticed that every time I start a weekend vlog or a trip vlog, I start with a sitting down part, and it's long again, but I hope you forgive me because it's a very exciting package for me and I wanted to open it with you. Oh my god, you are so pretty. It looks like a new one. It looks wonderful. I need to open this as soon as I can. Oh god, it's beautiful. It's so shiny. It has a few scratches, but it looks like a new one. This is freaking exciting. Okay, let's open it. How do I? Let's open it. The camera, it's packed also, so I will just, oh my god, come on, come to me. Come to mommy. Oh gosh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Come on, come to me. It looks like a brand new camera. Here, take a look. It has no lens, but I have a lens. Just give me a minute, I will put a lens on. Here's how the camera is looking without the lens. It's a brand new. It's like brand new. Okay, let's check it out how it does work. I'm excited. It works so well. Okay, I will put a lens on and I will show you how it works. It's so beautiful. It's like gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I need to play with it a little bit to remind myself how to use Prakticas, but oh gosh, I'm excited. So all of the pictures you can see from this trip will be from this camera, and we will see how it works. And oh gosh, I couldn't be more excited. I just couldn't be more excited. The next time we see each other is into the cabin in the woods, so let's go. Boom. Hello guys, we are in our cabin in the woods. Yeah, I have a tea. The night was cold and full of terrors, and we have no idea if we are going to stay here today, from today to tomorrow, because it was very cold and we had two heating heating units and it was still so cold. I'm going to show you how the place looks. So the place is pretty awesome. I have a tea. Oh god, it's so peaceful. I love being in here. So here's the cabin. Here's the cabin. The cabin looks very nice. Now we are going shopping to town because we only bought the most important things to eat yesterday because we arrived here pretty late at night. And now we are going shopping to visit a little bit. Of course you will see it on camera. Oh gosh, I wish we could stay in here one night longer. I had my first attempt with night photography yesterday, so of course you will see it probably on my blog or on my Instagram somewhere. I want to stay here. It's so pretty. Okay guys, my dad is waiting in the car, so we are slowly packing to go to town. It's so nice. I haven't been in this place for 15 years. Like 10-15 years, so it's something. It's something.
What are we doing, my tiny one? What are we doing? We are waiting in a car. Are we? Hello? My little tiny fluff. My little tiny fluff. Yes, yes you are.